Hello, welcome back. Another Cooking Wild with Ray. Today we'll be doing Lebanese style moose kebabs. Before leaving for work, I'll get all my ingredients mixed up. Once they're done mixing all the spices, the garlic, everything else together, I'll leave it in the pan, put it in the fridge for the day, and let all of the spices blend together and get infused into the meat. Get a little bit extra flavor. Gotta thank my neighbor Sam for passing me some fresh mint that she's cut from her garden. Everything else you should have in your pantry or your garden. Alright, we're going to assemble things here in stages. Of course, we're going to start off with our base. A pound of ground moose, preferably calf, if you can be so lucky. Get about 2 pounds of it in your package. And we're going to add 2 full tablespoons of ground parsley, roughly a tablespoon of fresh ground pepper. Then we're going to go with a teaspoon and a half of salt. Then we're going to go with 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. We're also going to add a whole tablespoon of fresh mint. There's the mint going in, and here I've taken the liberty to mix up my cumin and my other spices. Okay, we're going to continue adding. Here we've got roughly half a teaspoon of cayenne peppers and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. I realized while I was mixing up here, I forgot to add 1/2 sweet onion. If you like your onion sweet, or you can also go with a red onion, get some extra punch and some flavor. A yellow onion won't come out the same flavors. You're basically adding moisture with the onion and some texture. So here we're going to go 1 finely chopped half onion. So here I'm going to give you a good idea of what my mixture looks like all put together. My parsley, my mint, my onions, they're all pronounced in here. So you're just going to get this well mixed together. And then you can take this and either put it in a plastic bag, something that you won't have any transfer of flavors from an aluminum pan or a metal pan back into your meat. So I'll get this wrapped up and get ready to put in the fridge. Here I'll show you, I've got some regular cellophane wrap. I put my meat inside of there. I'm going to wrap it as tight as I can, just like that. And that's how it's going to go in the fridge for the day. You can see everything is mixed. There's no extra air going into it. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room like a mixing bowl, and everything is sealed. Welcome back. I've been looking forward to this all day. It's been a full 11 hours. I'm going to take this, I'm going to unwrap it. As you can see, it's holding its shape, which is going to help for the next step. Nice and firm, easier to work with. Get yourself a good, long, sharp knife. And they don't have to be very big at this point. Just slice them off into pieces. You're going to take these and you're going to roll them. So they're like long moose meat popsicles. And you're going to take your bamboo skewers, hold them all together so they don't fall apart.
when you put them on the barbecue. You can also do them in an oven for 425 degrees, about 20 to 25 minutes. All depends how strong your oven is. But here you're just going to take a piece of meat and you're going to skewer this. It's nothing fancy, but it's a different way of doing a kebab. So I'll get a whole bunch of these ready. I'll show you what they look like when they go into the barbecue. Alright, now comes the fun part, the barbecue. Here we're going to get a little bit of oil on our piece of paper, and we're going to prep our grill, make sure nothing sticks. Alright, this is ready to go here. Lots of heat. There again, you're going to want to have a medium to medium high heat on your barbecue. And this is going to be sort of medium slow cooked that we're going to do on these. So as you can see here, I've got a plate full of skewers ready to go. I'm going to lay them out, we're going to lay them out on the barbecue here, get some distance between them, because we want to be able to roll them with a flipper of some sort afterwards, so we get an even cook all the way around, hence the round shape. And there again, I'm going to leave these for about a good 3 or 4 minutes per side. I'll just roll them slowly. When they're done with an even crisp all the way around, then I'll take them off. Alright, here you can see they've got a little bit of a crust formed on all the sides. The oils are coming out from the spices mixed in there with the onions. And this smells delicious. And as you can see, I haven't made them super big, so they don't take too long to cook. This has been about 12 minutes on each side, so it's about ready to be pulled off, cooled, and I'll show you a serving. When we come back, after a little pause here, you get an idea. Alright, as you can see here, I got a plate for myself. I'll pull it off the skewer here. You'll get an idea of the cook. It's an even cook all the way through. I've got a couple of different sides. I've got a little spicy Greek tzatziki sauce, or a little sweet chili jelly sauce. Both go great with this. The combination of mint and spices with the cinnamon, it's a complete meal on its own. Have this with a side of rice if you wish. Enjoy like it is. This is my twist on Lebanese Kabobs. Done. Moose.